This is Steve, my husband. Even though he's not very good at something, he tries his best. But sometimes he needs a little bit of help. That's why I got him the Magpie magnetic wristband. Look how happy he is with his new tool. He won't stop talking about how he's a professional now. He tells me the wristband has 10 extremely powerful magnets that holds many screws and whatnot. Now, he has more freedom to work with both hands to get his jobs done faster. With all the time that he saves, he's always building something and trying to fix everything he sees. Oh, and he also said the magnetic wristband is very well made and durable, so he doesn't have to worry about ripping or damaging it. And the inner material is made out of soft, breathable mesh, so it was really comfortable and extremely lightweight. Also, ever since we got him the magnetic wristband, he won't stop wearing it everywhere he goes. He goes on and on about how it can be used anywhere, and sometimes forgets he's even wearing it. He's been telling his buddies that they need to get one themselves, but he should be telling their wives to get one for them as a gift. I'm just glad he's enjoying his craft and not asking for help. Get your husband a magnetic wristband from Magpie now.